Hello everyone, this is Rashmi. Welcome to the channel. And if you are the aspirant of UGC NET, SET or other competitive exam in the field of computer science, do subscribe this channel and do subscribe my Telegram channel for the upcoming free classes and many more updates. Got it? So why I am making this video? This video is regarding the strategy for the re-examination that is going to be conducted between 21st August to the 4th of September. So if you are a learner who is going to reappear in this exam, must watch this video till the end, because this video is for you, where I am going to tell you how you can start revision, what should be the timetable that you can follow, and what I am going to do for you that is completely free of cost. So first thing, remember that you are not the beginner. You are not the beginner. You have already given one examination. You have done some preparation. Basis on that preparation, what I am going to do, I am going to give you 10 days. From today to 10 days. Now the remaining portion you can cover up. ठीक है, आपका जो भी रिमेनिंग पेंडिंग है, जो यूनिट आपने कवर नहीं किया था या जो टॉपिक आपने कवर नहीं किया था, नेक्स्ट 10 डेज में कवर कर लीजिए. नाउ take a paper and pen in which I am going to give you the schedule according to which you have to do revision or according to which you have to prepare the particular unit, because I am going to bring you the mock test series that is completely free, unit wise and full length mock test series that is completely free on the YouTube channel. What about the revision classes? What about the concept? So already we have conducted the rapid revision class before 18th of June. So for every unit, revision classes are already available. What you have to do, you have to just watch them. आपको उनको वॉच करना है. यू हैव टू रिवाइज द कॉन्सेप्ट. तो देखिए, पेपर पेन आई थिंक रेडी है, या फिर वीडियो को पॉज करिए, पेपर पेन पिक करिए एंड राइट डाउन दिस शेड्यूल, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वी आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट द मॉक टेस्ट. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस यू आर गोइंग टू डू योर रिविजन. सो इफ़ यू आर द प्लस लर्नर, लाइक आपने यदि प्लस कोर्स लिया हुआ है, इट मे बी रिकॉर्डेड कोर्स, इट मे बी योर लाइव कोर्स जो आपने परचेज़ किया था, तो आप दोनों का रेफरेंस ले सकते हो. इट विल बी हेल्पफुल. आप सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हो, स्टिल यू कैन कंटिन्यू विद दिस मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज, बिकॉज कंटेंट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब एज वेल एंड इट इज़ मोर देन सफिशियंट. सो इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग बाय योर सेल्फ, यू कैन फॉलो दिस टाइम टेबल. सो देखिए टाइम टेबल क्या है. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 8th of July. सो टुडे इज 29th of June and we are going to start from 8th of July. In between, what you have to do, you have to complete your pending topic, you have to complete your pending units, correct? Or you can plan for the paper 1. Now see, from 8th to 10th of July, 8th to 10th of July, what you have to revise unit 1. From 11th to 13th of July, you have to revise unit number 2, unit number 1 and unit number 2. And on 14th of June, on 14th of July, I will conduct the mock test on unit 1 and 2. Unit 1 and 2, that is the first mock test, correct? So 8 to 10, 3 days का आपको ड्यूरेशन दे रही हूँ, that is for the revision and preparation of that unit. Then unit 2, that is 11 to 13 यूनिट आपका फर्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट हो जाएगा यूनिट 1 and 2 पर. हाँ, देन यू स्टार्ट विद नेक्स्ट वीक मंडे अगेन 15 to 17th, 15 July to 17 July, यूनिट नंबर 3. 18 to 20th, यूनिट नंबर 18 to 20th, unit number 4. So 21st, I will conduct mock test on unit number 3 and unit number 4. From where to prepare? Already you have content. यदि आपने मेरा यदि आपने मेरा रिकॉर्डेड कोर्स परचेज किया है या प्लस कोर्स परचेज किया है, कंटेंट आपके पास है. यदि आपने सेल्फ स्टडी की है, कंटेंट आपके पास है. और दैट्स वाई आई एम गिविंग एडिशनल 10 days so that you can do the preparation. Got it? So yes, here I will conduct your 15 to 17 and 18 to 20th. I will conduct your PYQs based mock test. Why I am conducting PYQ based? Because what happen ना, जब sometime इस तरीके से री एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, तो it is the high probability हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट आपके प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन रिपीट होते हैं. दैट्स वाई प्रिपेयर दिस प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन इंक्लूडिंग गेट, इंक्लूडिंग नेट. नाउ वी हैव नेक्स्ट शेड्यूल. आगे का लिखिए. 23rd to 24th यूनिट नंबर 5, 25th to 27 यूनिट नंबर 6 दैट इज सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. 20th 8 को आपका एग्जाम हो जाएगा. नाउ 29 to 31st you have to prepare unit number 7, and then 1st to 3rd you have to prepare unit number 8. So again on 4th of August I am going to conduct your mock test on unit number 7 and 8. Finally unit number 9 and 10 similarly 5th to 7th तक प्रिपेयर करिए, 8 to 10 तक प्रिपेयर करिए, 11th का आपको मॉक टेस्ट कंडक्ट करेंगे. Now see, in the next upcoming Sunday we will have the complete paper solution. जो आपका एग्ज़ाम हुआ that is 18th of June. ठीक है, 18th of June पर हम कंडक्ट करेंगे. एंड देन बिफोर वट एवर लाइक एग्जाम आर गोइंग टू बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 21st of August, है ना. इट मे बी आर शेड्यूल विल बी अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25th 26th के अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कंप्यूटर साइंस का डेट मिल जाएगा. तो उसके पहले जितने भी डेट रहेंगे वी विल कंडक्ट द free full length mock test. So yes, this is the journey that we are going to cover, and you have to give your 100%. I want, and if you are agree, write down yes into the comment box. And yes, this is what the timetable you can follow. For the revision, refer your revision notes जो आपने prepare किए हुए हैं. If you are the if you are missing any unit you can refer my recorded course की multiple validity है. For the 1 month it is 749, for the 2 month it is 1299, or I have to check. So we have multiple validity for the course, recorded course. So yes, for the 2 months if you want to purchase for the 2 months then the validity is, let me check once, इतनी सारी validity होती है, I can't remember. So yes, for the 2 months and yes, those, yes, and like if you have any other query you can ask me anytime. You have my mobile number, and like give your 100%. Now this is the chance where you are getting like once more opportunity. So जो last exam हुआ था उसको as an mock test consider करिए and prepare for it. So yes, for the 2 month you have to just pay 1399. You have to just pay 1399, that is 1400 something, and for the 1 month you have to just pay 749. So in this subscription you will get recorded classes, that is theory classes, practice, topic wise practice is there, unit wise practice is there, and gate previous year paper solution is available, and plus you will get the rank booster mock test series. So you can enroll and can spend 2 months like in a sequence. So this what you can join. Now if you want to join the live course, so definitely from 8th of July, from 8th of July I am going to start a live practice course as well. Timing will be the noon, ठीक है, noon timing रहेगी, where we will cover all these unit in the same manner, है ना, इसी manner में हम cover करेंगे, so that you can join. But additional thing that you will get is the gate previous year question as well in the live practice session. So if you are interested you can also join that batch. It is going to start from 8th of July. So if you are interested you can join live classes as well, and the validity for that is 5th of September. जो live practice course होगा you will get the validity up to 5th of September. जो प्लस स्टूडेंट हैं जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी 3 मंथ का एटलीस्ट 3 मंथ का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया है, यू विल ऑल्सो गेट द वैलिडिटी टिल 5th of September. दैट विल बी एक्सटेंडेड बाय मी बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट, मीन्स यू डोंट हैव टू पे. यदि आपने मुझसे 3 या 6 मंथ का सब्सक्रिप्शन लास्ट जून एग्ज़ाम के प्रिपरेशन के लिए लिया था, क्योंकि बहुत सारी क्वेरीज़ हैं. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट कि दोज हु हैवंट नॉट गिवन एनी एग्जामिनेशन, यदि लास्ट एग्ज़ाम नहीं दिया था कैन दे गिव. So probability is yes, probability yes है, but still wait for the updated notification from the NTA. बट इन सच केसेस हमसे हमारे अधिकार नहीं छीने जाते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन गिव द एग्ज़ाम. सो डू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस. एंड बिफोर स्टार्ट द प्रिपरेशन डू एनालाइज योर पेपर जो आपने लास्ट एग्ज़ाम में दिया. व्हाट आर द मिस्टेक, उनको आप या व्हाट आर द वीक पॉइंट्स, उनको आप इम्प्रूव करिए एंड देन यू कैन कंटिन्यू. करेक्ट. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट फ्रॉम माई साइड. फॉर एनी क्वेरी कनेक्ट with me on my mobile number. It is given in the description box, and do join the Telegram channel to get notification of upcoming classes, and explore the YouTube channel to get the free content. It is more than sufficient. Just explore it once. And yes, if you want to do the year wise previous year paper preparation, you have Abhyas series is also available on YouTube channel. So content is available, मेहनत आपको करना है. Correct. All the very best. Thank you.